Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I've wanted to share with you a new utility knife that is really nice. It's from Komelon. It is their model number UDS-N6. And the secret thing about this is it's a utility knife, but it's also a scraper. Pull down this little lever, pull this out, you've got yourself a scraper. Really neat, really innovative. The handle here has a lock, so it will lock open, but it also has three different positions. So you have your fully open, you got this where you got some leverage if you're cutting carpet or something like that. Another position here at the 45, and then closed up. It has a nice pocket clip here, storage on the back here for additional blades. It comes with 3 out of the box. And it's really easy to change the blade. It has a little button here that you can press down on the button, and the blades pull right out. So super simple, easy tool, and I think it's like a no-brainer to add it to your toolbox. You know, every blade has, you know, its trick. You know, we've got a fastback here from Milwaukee. Nice, simple, does a job, but it doesn't have that scraping capability like this. You know, likewise, you've got this one here that is, you know, nice and durable. It's heavy. This one's a heavy one, but you know, again, all it does is have the regular blade on it that will cut boxes and, you know, that kind of thing. But this having the multiple stops on it, huge win there. I just think that that's fantastic, where you're going to get a lot of extra leverage on there. You've got a lot of blade that shows right there. And then, you know, the big hurrah here is, you know, being able to turn this into a scraper. I don't think that you can beat that. So something you definitely want to check out, add to your toolbox. Komelon. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. But until next time, talk to you later.